Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening your Facebook page and choosing Insights. This gives you the raw metrics you need. Once done, switch to Meta Business Suite if you prefer consolidated reports and cross-channel data. Make sure your account has an admin or editor role, because without the right permissions, you can't view metrics. This first step gets you directly into reach-based, engagement, and follower counts, so you can immediately begin to inspect trends rather than spending time in general settings. Now you dive into the middle of the process. Identify which metrics matter for your goal. You look at reach and impressions to understand visibility, then post engagement to see what content resonates. Once you've noted patterns, use page views and follower growth to judge broader audience interest. Make sure to apply date ranges and compare periods so trends stand out. Export a CSV when you need to run pivot tables or cross-analyze with other platforms for more precise decisions. Finish by turning insights into action. Create saved reports or schedule automatic exports so you see results regularly. Segment data by post type, time of day, and demographics to find what to scale, then plan experiments around top performers. If something goes wrong, data gaps, zero metrics, or missing posts, first recheck your page role and connected ad account, then clear cache or try another browser. If still broken, reconnect the page in Business Suite to restore full analytics access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.